say what doesn't kill a man only makes a man stronger. Words feel the pain only to find where you belong. For so long as the beat goes on, I'ma rap on to my lost breath.
Sure.
This is my story.
Yeah.
Well, let me say it's a part of it.
Been on the road for far too long, finally I chose this path. Call me a rebel of art and poetry. This is part of my story. Be watching the side for far too long. Still now I rap that good and gone. Living like a don, working like slave. Some say I got a heart of a king. Told my daughter I'm pushing for your dreams. All I'll achieve is what I'll bring my drama in the streets. Beef with the cops, stick it to my legacy. We'll only beg for mercy when the Lord is all I see. Still self out in this mission with ghetto intuition. Watching the saga, I'm wishing I'm the one who should be scarring shit. Some niggas left the team, but I still want hold it down for the team. Not for the cream, but I'm sure I'll get it. My dream is that my family makes it. XTG good.